So we're running really late. I got pulled over on the way here. It is 6:15 and I am off to pick up Liz, and we are going to a dance cardio workout class for 7 in the morning. Who are we? Like, seriously. But anyway, I'm running super late. I don't have on any makeup. I am just running really late. Good thing I made myself zucchini muffins last night, so that's like a lifesaver. Anyway, no time to chat, just rushing. I'll just film some of the dance cardio class, so see you there. I'm recording. Oh, hey. So we're running really late. I got pulled over on the way here, but that's all right. Hi, good morning.
Come on in.
Sorry, I got pulled over on the way here.
Don't be sorry, guys. You're totally good. We're gonna wait a couple minutes anyway. Behind the mirror, there's a shelf if you want to put extra stuff, and then grab a mat.
Cool, thanks. Bless. So it's like 8:30 in the morning and I'm usually never out of my house at this time. So I thought that I would stop at the Paris Baguette and maybe surprise Cody with like breakfast. I'm not hungry. I had a muffin before I left, so I shouldn't be eating anything. But since I am the nicest girlfriend in the world, I thought maybe I'd get him something and surprise him. So, and wake his ass up. All right, let's see what we can find. I want this stuff so bad, but I just worked out, so I shouldn't have it. We got the goods. Oh my god, guys, so I cannot believe that I got pulled over this morning on my way to pick up Liz. So alright, it's really my fault. 100,000% is my fault. Since I got my car, I didn't put license plates on it. Like, they're just sitting in my trunk. I've just been lazy, and I just haven't put them on, and now it finally caught up to me. But the cop was so nice. Honestly, he just let me go with a warning, but I have to put the plates on the car and take it over to like the courthouse to show them that I actually did it. He also said that my window tint was illegal, which I think when I got it, look at this guy's window tint. His window tint's way darker than mine. Anyway, when I first got it put on, they said that this was legal. So I don't know if maybe the laws have changed since I got it on, but that's a big bummer. So I'm not gonna change the window tint yet. But I'm gonna do some more research and then I'm definitely gonna put on my plates. I guess I have to do that. I also have to get a California license. I have yet to do that. I've been living here for like 3 years. I've been waiting for the real IDs to come out because what's the point of going and then you have to get another one? So they're finally out, so maybe we'll do that this week. Oh, I love waking up early. So let's, all right, let's just go surprise Cody with this food and go from there. Good morning.
What the fuck are you doing? What is this?
I brought you breakfast. Here you go. He's still asleep.
5 hours later.
Okay, so far I got dressed and I guess now we're gonna go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff, and we have to run to Best Buy because I have to take back my camera. And this is my outfit of the day for literally no reason. Just this shirt from Zara, and I like how it has like a little tuck here. The Gucci belt for no reason other than we're going to the grocery store. Some black pants and ballet shoes. But yeah, I don't know. I don't have anywhere else to go to dress up. So I guess we do it when we go to the grocery store. I don't know. We're gonna stop and take Ollie over to Cody's because he's been sad staying inside all day. Good boy. I love you. Tried to drop off my my camera at the Geek Squad and they literally have 0 appointments available right now. So we are kind of just checking out some of the new cameras available. I'm kind of liking this GoPro situation. The new GoPro 8 just came out and it has like a whole like rig thing with it. So I'm kind of excited about it. But yeah, no, I absolutely hate the camera that I have right now. If you go back to these other videos, you will see how horrible the quality was. And it's like a $1,500 camera and it's unbelievably terrible. So I took it back to them once and taking it back to them again. So hopefully they can do something about it pretty soon. So in the meantime, we're checking out some of the other stuff. Hey guys, so I'm just sitting here editing all of the footage and somehow I lost day 2 of the vlog. So I am so sorry that this vlog is so short, but let me know in the comments below if you like these vlog style videos, if you want to see more of them. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you do, because that's the only way that I know to continue making stuff like this and be motivated to make more of them. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see in the comments. I typically post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos, but if you're interested in my life and seeing things like this, I'm more than happy to make more vlog videos. Also, guys, I don't know if you noticed throughout the video, it sounded like a little bit of like knocking around or something. Apparently the GoPro, the case that it's in wasn't holding it right, or like the stand wasn't holding it right, so it kind of was jiggling around. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but I am super sorry about that, and that will not happen. But I will definitely make sure to fix that in the future. Also, any other kind of lighting issues and stuff, I'm still kind of getting used to the GoPro. By the way, guys, I went back to the G7X Mark II camera if anybody's interested, because the Mark III was having all of these weird focusing issues. I mean, I guess thank God that the Mark II is actually a really, really good vlogging camera. So we're back to this one. I apologize in the last couple of videos if they have been a little weird. That's because I got a new camera and I hated it, literally hated it. Yeah, so that is the latest on the camera update. They'll be so much better sound-wise, color-wise, light-wise, I promise. Sorry, thank you so much for sticking around during this troublesome time on my channel. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.